So, hello everyone. This is the sixth video of Expertise, and I'm Anvashan. So, today we are going to see if and while loops. Sorry for that. Um, that's our idle is open. Next, we are going to open a new file, and we are going to create a Python file. So, first of all, we are going to take an input a is equals to 5 and b equals to 6. And we are going to make if a is greater than b, then mm, then it will go to this section print a is greater than b. Next is else a is else print print a is smaller than b, and that's it. Now we're going to save it on desktop by the name if and and underscore else. So this is giving you a smaller than b. Next, by improving it, we are giving us taking input from the user. So how we will do it? Input and enter a number, and that's and input enter another number. So that's it. Sorry for that. So a is equals to over 7 and b is equals to 3, so greater than b. Next we are going to see else if. How to use else if in Python. So c equals to int input enter a number a, b, and enter number c. So that's it. We are getting a, b, c here, and I want to check it whether if e is equals to, and as we know that in Python there is and operator. For ending we have to use and directly and, right, and. So if you want to check and is and b is less than c, then we have to check greater than b, and and B is smaller than C. So, now we are going to if A is smaller than B and B C, then we are going to get an range is smaller than B and B is greater than C. Next is else other condition. That's it. So to guys. So if 4 is equals to 7 and C is equals to 3 is smaller than B and B is greater than C. So that's our else if condition. Next we are going to see for loop. So for example, if you want to find a factorial of a number, so n is equals to input enter number numbers. Now we have got this, so we are using for I in range n. So fact equals to 1, so we are using fact star equals to I range. The factorial of uh, of here I am using format. I will explain you what is this factorial of is. So for math I want to print here n and here fact. That's it. So for printer number 5, did this happen? One comma n plus comma 1. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, this is printing us the factorial of a number. sorry, 4. So what is doing our n is stored in this variable, and whatever we are getting is converted into an int by this function int. If you want to convert it into a float, then we can perform that also by using float function. Since we want to convert it in, we are using int function. Fact is using, then we have to use another variable fact, which is initialized to 1. Next, for I, which is starting from 1 up to n plus 1, which is if we are giving 4, then it is moving from 1 to 4. And I plus plus, it is very much similar to it is same as for loop in C. For example, we can take it as I is equals to 1, and since I is smaller than n, I is smaller than n plus 1, and I plus plus. If you are aware of C, then this statement and this statement are same. So next, for fact, this is if we extend, or we can write this as, we can write it in simple way as fact equals to fact into I. If you want, this is just we are using these both statements are same, and in this statement print fact of in calligraphy we have written 0 is in calligraphy written 1. For 0 it is considering n, and for 1 it is considering fact. If we remove this, then you can see what, then also I think there will be no difference. If you remove 0 or 1 also, then there is also no difference, but for your reference I have written that. Okay, that's it. Okay. Next we are going to see while loop. So now we are going to print so let's just print a prime numbers from particular range to up to n prime numbers. So n is equals to int input enter a number. So we are considering here a variable j equals to equals to 2. Yeah. So next we are going to create a step for I for I is smaller than n plus 1. So what should we do? Yeah, we are getting another while loop. I is smaller than, so what is the, first of all, what is the logic for prime number? And the logic for prime number is it shouldn't be divided. If we are getting 6, then sure, 6 shouldn't be divided by any number up to 6. It should divide by 1 or 6 itself. But it's not true for 6, it's true for 5. It will be divided by 1 or 5. So we are So is smaller than, we're getting j, and next we are doing if I mod j equal to okay, if I j equal to 0, then we will break and we will check if I equal to j print I typically have it of C, so some problems you might not know. Okay, so and okay, that's it. So it's not defined. Okay, yeah. Sorry for that. And two. This is taking much time. So much with this is strange. Oh, sorry for that. J. Sorry for a little the mistake in logic is just not equals to you have to use a so and it's smaller than equal to. So that's it for today. In next video I'm going to show you how to use functions and about anonymous function. So bye bye.